Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Bharadwaj and I welcome you all to Let's Crack UPSC CSC English platform. And this is the video regarding two important announcements. The first one is that your offer of this 20 books, has been extended till 28th of April. And in these 20 books, almost all of your syllabus will be covered in a highly structured manner. And these books are curated by the best UPSC experts, and these are updated with the relevant current affairs and pre and mains previous year questions as well. So you will be getting all these 20 books in physical format. Fine, if you get the subscription till 28th of April, and along with this, one more offer will be available. That is this mega subscription offer, in which if you are getting the subscription till 28th of April, fine. So your subscription will be valid till 31st of July 2022. For example, if you are taking this 1 year subscription, so normally this 1 year subscription lasts till 1 year. So if you take the subscription, for example, 20th of April, that will end on 20th of April 2022. But in this mega subscription offer, that validity has been extended till 31st of July. So definitely with these two offers, this generally does not happen. So two offers are there. You can definitely go for an academy subscription. This is the 1 point solution for your UPSC preparation. Along with this, so many candidates find it difficult to get the subscription because of their financial condition and all. So now there is no obstacle of any kind. So so an academy has come up with this loan for UPSC preparation thing, in which you can apply for loan for your UPSC preparation with 0% interest rate, 0% fees, etc. And this is the link on which you can get this loan thing, or there is a link in the description box. You can get the form in this description box as well. You can fill this form and the team will connect with you regarding this. So definitely you can go for this subscription thing and make your preparation more intense, more focused. The subscription link is there in the description box. You just need to choose your plan and put the code, that is RB Live, to get 10% off. Similarly, you can opt for Iconic subscription with added benefits and optional. Almost all the optional subjects are available on an academy. You can go for the optionals as well. If you want, you can definitely club your GS plus optional as well in this combo offer. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can reach out to me on this Telegram group as well. And so many resources are there, like scholarship test, free test series. You can definitely get benefit from all these. And this is all of you, all the best.